Hey there! Welcome to my channel. Discover the secrets of good health, natural beauty, and powerful foods that protect your body and boost your life.
Healthy hair needs regular care. Every day, our hair faces dust, sun, and heat, which can make it dry and weak. By cleaning, conditioning, and protecting it the right way, we can keep it soft, shiny, and strong. Follow these simple hair care steps to keep your hair looking beautiful and healthy every day. Hair treatment. Steps 1. Cleanse. Start by wetting your hair thoroughly, then apply a gentle shampoo focused on the scalp to remove oil and build-up. Massage the scalp with fingertips, then rinse. 2. Condition deep treatment. After shampooing, apply conditioner or a deep treatment mask from mid-length to ends. Leave in for a few minutes, then rinse with cool or lukewarm water to seal the cuticle. 3. Towel dry and detangle. Gently blot or wrap your hair in a microfiber towel or soft cotton t-shirt. Use a wide-tooth comb or detangling brush to remove knots, starting from the ends and working upward. 4. Protection and styling. If you use heat tools, blow dryers, straighteners, curling irons, always apply a heat protectant spray or serum first. Air drying is gentler when possible. Use minimal tension and avoid excessive heat. 5. Maintenance and night care. Sleep on a satin or silk pillowcase, or use a satin bonnet to reduce friction. Once or twice a week, apply a lightweight oil or leave-in treatment to nourish ends and help control frizz. Occasional trims remove split ends and keep hair healthy. Conclusion. Taking care of your hair is an act of self-love. With simple, consistent steps, cleansing, conditioning, and protecting, you can keep your hair healthy, strong, and full of life. Remember, beautiful hair starts with good care and gentle habits every day.